So it's Saturday, but it's not our normal Saturday, as you may have figured out by now.
We are going on a trip. We'll let you know about that later.
Yeah.
You can't find out yet. It's a secret. So here's our selections. We're going to one of these places, but we're not staying there. Again, we got lots of secrets for you.
Okay, so if you know us, you know we just landed in our favorite place ever, Mexico. We are big-time beach lovers and have waited a long time for this vacation.
Hola, welcome home. How are you today? Good, how are you?
We decided to check out the Pacific side for once. We've only ever been to the Gulf side, so we're going to see what it's all about over here on the Pacific. We, of course, ate at one of our most favorite restaurants of all at the Secrets Resorts, which is Himitsu. The beach here is a bit different than what we're used to. Over on the Gulf side, it's white sands, and this is a little bit rockier and dark sand, but that is okay, you guys. We are here to relax and unwind. We went on a little adventure this morning, a crocodile tour, but unfortunately no crocodile sightings. But we had a really great time getting to know the activities guy, Fidel. He's just a lot of fun, and it was great getting to interact with him throughout the week. So this is not a bad view at all.
It's a beautiful, beautiful place, and we are not working. That's the best part.
It's a little bit different than the farm, that's for sure.
Karen's going to turn us around and let you walk with us. So beautiful here.
You might wonder what all there is to do here. The activities crew has things planned throughout the day, all day long, but Mike and I tend to just like to chill on the beach all day and, go out for the evening meals. So it's always a lot of fun to kind of dress up and just enjoy time together. Early morning walks are always a lot of fun too. We like to just kind of go up and down the beach and to sightsee and explore. I really loved seeing all the cool sea glass along the beach.
So a lot's changed in the last few days. We didn't mention this before, but we thought we'd add on a little bit to the farm and invite people over and make sure we had plenty of guest rooms. So here you go.
He's funny like that. So there were a lot of vendors on the beach, and this is George, and we bought something cool. We'll have to show you that here in a little bit. The nightlife is a lot of fun as well. We met a lot of cool people, and this couple right here in particular, Aaron and Angelique, were super fun to hang out with. They had a lot of things in common with us, like DIY stuff. They are currently remodeling their own home, and so we just had a whole lot to talk about and hope to stay in touch with them. I know I've mentioned the delicious food a few times, but you guys, the crepes in the morning are to die for. I got this almost every morning, berry crepes with Nutella and caramel sauce on top. Heavenly.
Hola, buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
Here we are on Wednesday in the beautiful ocean view at Puerto Vallarta, and it's a beautiful place. We thought we'd update you. There's not a whole lot going on at the farm. Most everybody that is going to be doing what they need to be doing at the farm may wait for us to come back home. So when we get home, not a whole lot's going to be done.
It is freezing cold there, though.
Yes.
Got down to like 20-something last night, we were told. So no bueno. We're glad we're here.
Yeah, enjoying 80-degree weather and just beautiful, beautiful place to come, and excited that we got to take a little vacation. We thought we would probably be in the house at this point in time when we booked this vacation, but when we get back, we'll just keep finishing things out. We've met some beautiful people here and folks have looked at our vlog and they're like so excited to catch up and see all that we've done in the past, and so pretty cool.
I will say this is the most relaxed and most sleep I've gotten in a very long time. Something about being at the ocean just helps you relax, so it's been really great.
Wonderful. We would highly recommend.
Mike took plenty of siestas down at the beach, and you can see why. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous, and the ocean waves crashing just were so relaxing. Here's Mike chowing down on some nachos. Yeah, I was eating them too. And then he participated in a little speedboat race by the pool. It was really funny, actually. A little remote control speedboats that were ridiculous. And I do have this video in fast motion. That boat was not going that fast. And they're super hard to control, but it was a lot of fun. This was kind of a cool Mexican fiesta that they had for some of the special head honchos of the resort that were there that night. So again, kind of cool to be a part of that. And it's always fun to experience the Mexican culture. The sunsets each night were just stunning, by the way. This was pretty much our view all day, every day. And you know, it's exactly what we were expecting and exactly what we needed. It's kind of funny, we didn't eat Mexican food until the very last night we were there, and it was super great. So here I am with my crepes again on the last morning, and these are our waiters that took care of us every single morning. This is Caesar and Benito, and they did such an awesome job and just really treated us like royalty. They even presented us with a special dessert because it was our last day with them. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's Friday, our last day here. Just had a yummy breakfast over there at the Market Cafe.
Yeah, my normal breakfast is, if I have anything whatsoever, it's a Swiss roll.
At home.
At home.
And what do you have here?
And we're going to say hi to V.
This is our friend V that we've met. V. So we've met a lot of nice people here, as always.
Great people.
And befriended some of the staff because they're such great people that take care of us. Oh, my morning breakfast, you'll have seen, has been crepes.
Hola.
You know, there's no calories in vacation breakfast or food at all, so.
Yeah, they have a special vacuum here where they suck the calories out of all the
Sucks all the calories out.
Makes you feel like, you're not eating anything bad.
There's the nice pools. We don't do pools. We're not pool people. They're nice.
Some people are. That's cool.
We prefer the beach. So that's where we're headed. And we'll chat with you later.
Yeah.
We thought this was really cute. We found a couple of little hermit crabs and stuck them next to each other, and we called them the dueling crabs. We couldn't be with our turtles this week, so we had to find something else to entertain us. So word on the street is Hurricane Rosalind is going to be rolling in tomorrow, which is Saturday, and luckily we are out of here today. They're just also having to remove a little fence that they had put up earlier in the week. Our assumption was that it could easily wash away or blow away, so having to remove that. I mentioned earlier that there were a lot of vendors this week. Well, I had my eye on this black and white blanket all week, and I held out until the last day to purchase it. I think it's going to go so super cute with our new bedding there at the farmhouse. This is Ilcia. She came down to check on us before we left to just make sure we had a great time overall and really enjoyed our time here at Secrets Vallarta Bay. All right, so we'll just give you a little recap of our relaxation week.
This is the equivalent of the front porch talk on Friday, and how can you get much better than this front porch?
Beautiful, beautiful. We hope you guys have had a great week. And, you know, like we said, we know you didn't come to watch a beach vacation, but we needed it. And just to clear our minds and refresh.
We'll get back and get after it. So it'll be fun.
We have no idea. Well, we know nothing happened at the farm this week as far as we know. We just tried not to think about it or any of that jazz. But again, hope y'all had a great week.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next week and have some things done.
Yep. Remember earlier I told you we bought something from one of the vendors named George? Well, this is it. A fun little sea turtle, you know, because we have the little turtles back at the farm. So we just thought that'd be kind of fun. And here we are leaving, and that's always a sad thing, but we are definitely excited to get back home and get back to work on the farm. All right, so we hope you guys enjoyed our fun beach getaway with us. And if you have not checked out the Flipping the Farm playlist yet, please do so if you're new here. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and ring that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching.